I was doing some research this morning to find some very interesting e-commerce brands that are crushing it, and I found something pretty shocking. A $7 million sale day from this one brand that just sells a mouse. Yeah, that's it. That's what we're talking about today. I found this store called finalmouse.com on store leads, actually. And I saw that they were doing $1.3 million a month. So naturally, I'm pretty curious to explore what they're all about, since I'm a big e-com guy over here. I like to run ads for a lot of e-commerce brands. That's what people pay my business to do. But we're also incubating our own brands. And for example, here we have a TikTok ad account where, this month we've done over 6 figures in revenue. Pretty impressive. TikTok, definitely do not sleep on TikTok. If you're a brand out there, make sure that you fill out our form if you want us to run your TikTok ads. But that's not what this video is about. I want to break down exactly what this entails, how this even happened, and what it means for you if you want to build an e-com business or if you already have one. So again, the brand's called Final Mouse, and they just sell this mouse. It's a very simple Shopify store. Like, they don't even really have a home page. It's just this video, which I really love because, I think spending a ton of time on your homepage is not only annoying, but it's also pretty unnecessary. I think this actually looks even cleaner, and it probably takes less work to do as well to just set up something like this. Now, this is their landing page, and this is their main mouse. It's called the Ultralight X, and again, that's basically all they sell. It's a super clean landing page. It's just images of the product with some text, and then you can just buy it with the link right here. If I was this brand, I would probably make this a little more visible. It's very easy to miss, and that could definitely affect your conversion rate dramatically and your add to cart rate, which you definitely want to improve, because then you're getting people subscribed to your email flows, which can make you money in the back end of your business, and that's very powerful. So yeah, I'm still scrolling down. There's still more stuff that they talk about. It's a lot of fluff, I would say, but at the same time, gaming is becoming such a legitimate sport. And obviously, it's a massive hobby for a lot of people, and people want the best equipment. Naturally, people want to use the best stuff. Then they just have this video. Let's click buy and let's see where it takes us. Oh, okay, actually, that was the pre-set sales page before they actually show you the landing page. Their landing page is actually literally just a normal Shopify store, as you see right here. Let me move my screen a little, or my face rather, so you can see it. But this literally looks like a free Shopify theme. They don't even have any reviews or anything. And apparently they're all sold out. So that's kind of cool. They have a limited amount of mice, I guess, that they sell. This makes it so much more inclusive, and it even makes me want to sign up for their email list, even though they don't actually have an email list that they're using to collect email subscribers. That's a big miss, I would say. I think that's massive. They're missing out on a ton of emails that they could be gathering, and when they drop, that could take their revenue to the next level, which is another thing that we like to do at my company, Akemi, right? We like to maximize the potential of the back end, and we work with the best email marketer in the world, I would say, or at least the best email marketing company. We're really good partners. So if you want to get connected to that as well, if you're a brand, again, just reach out to us in the form that we have at akemilab.com. But ultimately, I found this store really, really impressive, and I think $189 is a lot of money for a mouse, and it probably costs them very little to make. But of course, it's a limited edition thing. They have this premium vibe. So gamers are very happy to pay that price, and these guys are very happy to be profiting a ton of money. So super cool brand. Honestly, I really love it. Let's read a little bit about the innovation. It's, honeycomb chassis, lightweight. It's not that crazy. Magnesium alloy. Okay, that's kind of cool, actually. Carbon fiber composite. I still can't imagine this costing more than like maybe $20 to $30 to make, which is totally fine. I'm not saying that as a negative thing. I actually think, that's a significant amount of money still. You can see they actually spend a lot of time on software to improve the product, which is super cool. It just makes it seem like an even more advanced technology. That's awesome. So shout out to this brand. Shout out to all you guys watching. Hopefully this inspired you in some way, and make sure that you have a great day today. Be positive. See you in the next video. Peace.